Opposing legislator Joana Mamombe is facing fierce backlash after a photo of her shaking hands with President Emerson Mnangagwa at a government event went viral on social media. Sarabina mashoko buda panguwa ine, vanhu panguwa ine voti havana Joana Mamombe ava. These guys vanyatsokuonekwa kunzi aiwa masellouts. Panguwa ino after a picture panguwa ine robuda ranyatsokumukrucifya. Aiconduct yanga yakarwa ipapo yanyatsosiya vanhu vane maquestions akawandisa. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Ndina Mamombe kwamchinze. Mamombe, who represented Harare West and chairs the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Tourism and Hospitality, attended the official launch of Zimbabwe's new tourism policy at the State House on Monday. The image of her greeting the president has ignited outrage among opposition supporters who see the gesture as a betrayal of democratic principles. Some critics have gone as far as to accuse her of fraternizing with the very system she was elected to challenge, with sexist insult and emotionally charged remarks dominating online discourse. However, others have defended Mamombe, highlighting the official capacity in which she attended the event. Former MDC Alliance Youth Assembly leader Tirere Obey-Stole said the criticism was unjustified. In quotes, the vitriol and insults, some of which are sexist, directed towards Joanna are quite misplaced, he said. She is a member of the parliament, a chairperson of the parliamentary committee. You don't need to like her as a person to understand this context as a basis of her presence. Responding to the uproar, Mamombe issued a statement on X to clarify her position over ATI in court. As the chair, I led the Parliamentary Committee on Tourism and Hospitality to launch the Zimbabwe's new tourism policy, she said. Our role is oversight and accountability to ensure policies serve the people. We ought to interrogate, monitor, and guide implementation of the policy. Despite the storm of criticism, a number of Zimbabweans continue to defend Mamombe's actions, saying the reaction is more emotional than rational and fails to appreciate the distinction between politics and parliamentary responsibilities. Ndo mashoko ari panguva ine vanhu vachicrucify zvavo Joana Mamombe. Nakomment section medu madzimafunguro enyu motodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.